What is the meaning of court of record? Court of record means, write down, court of record means the judgments of the Supreme Court, on any matter will be preserved for perpetual memory. So it means the records are maintained on continuous basis. What records are maintained? The Supreme Court judgments. The judgments of the Supreme Court will be maintained as a permanent records. Okay, are you able to understand? Suppose if the Supreme Court gives any judgment, the case will be numbered and properly saved. Okay, why these are saved? Because these will be acting as legal precedents for the lower courts. Okay, write down these judgments, and these judgments will act as legal precedents for the lower courts. Legal precedents for the, what is the courts? Lower courts. Okay.